HAYTECH is a unique hay monitoring system that helps you to avoid barn fires and increase the quality of your hay. In this short video, we will show you how fast and easy it is to install the HAYTECH system. When your HAYTECH system arrives, the first thing you need to take out of your box is the activation sheet. On your activation sheet, you will find the 2 codes you need to register your system. Go to www.quantory.app/activation and type in your codes. Fill in your personal details and phone number to receive alerts. After a successful registration, you will see your personal dashboard waiting for data. Now, first connect the Ethernet cable to your modem, and second, plug your base station to the power supply. The base station goes through a quick light cycle. Once only one green light stays on, the base station is ready for use. Go over to the building where the hay bales will be stored. Mount the relay inside so that the signal can reach the hay bales without any obstructions. Plug the relay to a power outlet. A green light will indicate that the relay is ready. Then, just place the bright orange sensors inside the round or square bales at the time of storage. Make sure to note the location of each sensor so that you can locate the hot bales as fast as possible in an alert situation. The connection from the probes to the relay and to the base station forms automatically. The system is now fully set up and ready for operation. After placing the probes, you will see the temperature data on your personal dashboard. This way you can keep an eye on your hay from the convenience of your office or home. If you are on the go, you can also use your mobile phone to check the temperature measurements. Simply log into your account on the mobile browser. If the temperatures rise above the alert levels you set in your app, you will receive an SMS alert and are able to react in time to avoid a barn fire. HAYTECH is your safety, simplicity, and reliability, day and night.